Hello, welcome back to Summer School 2020. We are calling it Summer School 2020. It's our extended school year, and we are working on work for day 13. We're going to start out with some reading comprehension. I'm going to read the story first, and then I will read it again a little bit slower, pointing out the words, and you can follow along. And then we will answer some questions down at the bottom. So here we go. Aunt Antonym. We have a nickname for my mother's sister. We call her Aunt Antonym. She always says or does the opposite of what we say or do. One day we all went to the zoo. At the monkey exhibit, we thought the monkeys were cute. My aunt thought that they were strange. Soon we were hungry. My aunt was still full from breakfast. After lunch, we rode the train around the zoo. My aunt wanted to walk. Finally, my aunt said that she was tired and ready to go. We were still full of energy. We wished we could have stayed. Now I will read the story again, and this time you can follow along. Aunt Antonym. We have a nickname for my mother's sister. We call her Aunt Antonym. She always says or does the opposite of what we say or do. One day we all went to the zoo. At the monkey exhibit, we thought the monkeys were cute. My aunt thought that they were strange. Soon we were hungry. My aunt was still full from breakfast. After lunch, we rode the train around the zoo. My aunt wanted to walk. Finally, my aunt said that she was tired and ready to go. We were still full of energy. We wished we could have stayed. Let's read the directions. We're going to write T next to each statement that is true and write F next to each statement that is false. All right, so we're going to read these statements, and we will write T for true or F for false next to the statement. Number 1, the author is writing about his sister. Is the author writing about his sister? Let's look for the clue word sister in the story. There it is. He is writing about, it says, my mother's sister. So no, he is not writing about his sister. He is writing about his mother's sister. That statement is false. We will write F. Number 2, Aunt Antonym is the real name of the author's aunt. Aunt Antonym is kind of a silly name, so I'm going to guess that this statement is probably false, but let's look in the story just in case. If you look up in the story, it says, we call her Aunt Antonym. She always says or does the opposite of what we say or do. So if it says we call her Aunt Antonym, that probably means that's not her real name. So this statement, Aunt Antonym is the real name, is false. So we're going to write an F for false. Next one, number 3. Aunt Antonym was full from breakfast. We can look for the key words full from breakfast in the story, and I see it right here. And we go back and read the sentence. My aunt was still full from breakfast. So yes, she was. That statement is true. We will write T for true. Next, number 4. Aunt Antonym did not want to ride the train. Did she want to ride the train? Look back at the story. If you look for the words ride the train, you found something similar right here, rode the train. After lunch, we rode the train around the zoo. My aunt wanted to walk. So no, she did not want to ride the train. She wanted to walk. So this statement is false. I'm sorry. This statement is true. It says she did not want to ride the train, so it is true. We make a T. Sorry about that. I made a mistake, and it's okay to make mistakes. That's why pencils have erasers, right? All right, moving on to the next section. We are going to write a word from the story that is an antonym, or that means opposite, for each word. All right, so we've got number 5, the word is ride. What is the opposite of ride? What is an antonym for ride? Well, in the story, everyone wanted to ride the train, or they rode the train, and the aunt wanted to walk. So here, the opposite of ride would be walk. Number 6, the word is stay. If you look back in the story, we wished we could have stayed, but the aunt was tired and ready to go. Good job. Go is the opposite of stay in this story. Next, we have number 7. The word is energetic. Energetic. If you look back in the story, you see the words full of energy. What is the opposite of full of energy? If you look back a little bit, it says, finally my aunt said that she was tired. Good job. Tired is the opposite of energetic. Okay, and one more, number 8, we have the word hungry. If we look back in the story, we've got the word hungry here. Soon we were hungry. My aunt was still full. Good job. Full in this story is the opposite of hungry. Great job. We're going to move along to the opposite side and work on some more reading comprehension. So this time we will read the story and fill in the table. Let's get started. Today is Rachel's birthday. She invited 4 friends to her party. Each friend brought a gift. Rachel's brother mixed up the tags on the gifts. Can you use the clues to put the tags on the correct gifts? Oh, we have to use the clues. Let's see. Here's one. Grace's gift has flowered wrapping paper and a bow. Kate's gift is small and has a bow. Megan forgot to put a bow on her gift. Jade's gift has striped wrapping paper. So those are the clues. Let's go ahead and read the directions. We are going to write O in the box when you know a gift was brought by the girl. We are going to write X in the box when you know a gift was not brought by the girl. Okay? So let's read the clues again, and we will fill out this chart with X's and O's. We've got pictures of gifts across here and names here. And we're going to fill out the chart according to the clues. Let's read them. Grace's gift has flowered wrapping paper and a bow. So here's Grace. And let's see. Her gift has flowered wrapping paper. Here's flowered wrapping paper and a bow. Do any of the other presents have flowered wrapping paper and a bow? This one has flowered wrapping paper but no bow. So this we know for sure is the gift from Grace. So we will write an O in that box because we know Grace brought this gift. So if she brought this one, we know for sure that she did not bring this one or this one or this one. Okay, let's go on. Kate's gift is small and has a bow. Let's look at the gifts. Only one gift is small. Which one is it? This one is small. Does it have a bow? Yes, it is small and it has a bow. It must be Kate's gift. So we will write an O next to Kate because we know this is the gift she brought. And we know that these are not the gifts that she brought. Let's keep going. Megan forgot to put a bow on her gift. Megan forgot to put a bow on her gift. So which gift has no bow? This one. This gift must be from Megan. So we will write an O under the gift and across from Megan's name. because we know that this gift is from her. And we know that these gifts are not from Megan. One clue left. Jade's gift has striped wrapping paper. Which gift has striped wrapping paper? Well, there are two gifts with striped wrapping paper, but we already know that Kate brought this gift. So Jade must have brought this gift. So we will make an O there and X's in the other boxes. There we go. We filled out that chart. Good job using clues. And there's also a little writing challenge at the end. If you could give any gift in the world, what would you give? Whom would you give the gift to? Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. That is something that you can do later if you would like, or you can draw a picture of a gift that you would like to give to someone. Just use your creativity and your imagination, and you can do that challenge on your own if you would like to do that. You did a great job on day 13 work, and I will see you next time.